student, very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our online classes. Today we are going to see our fourth lesson, the climate of India. The climate of India. So take page number 248 in your textbook and start reading. So first we are going to see about weather. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular day or a very near future. Weather means climate. It is an atmospheric condition. What is meant by atmosphere? We saw in the previous classes. Atmosphere means the layer of air surrounding the earth. So this condition of a particular day, for example today it's very hot, isn't it? So before week we have rains. So that is the climatic conditions. So particular day or the very near future. The climate of a place in the regular pattern of weather conditions for a long period of time. So this weather continues for 1 week or 1 month. For example, this week completely we have hot sun. Okay. India is a big country. India is a big country. The surface of the land is not uniform. Our India land is not uniform. Not in uniform. Okay. So it has mountains. What has mountains? Our India land has mountains, plains, plateaus. Okay. So the surface of the land is not uniform. It has mountains, plains and plateaus. Plains means flat lands. Plateaus means the land level high to the ground. Some areas are near the coast while other way from it. So some areas are near the coast. Coast means the sea and the land meeting place. Okay. Next, the climate. All these features determine the climate of our country. The climate varies from one region to another region. So we have mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts also in our country. Forests also. All are different landforms and it is not in uniform. Some parts of the country are extremely cold. Extremely means very cold, while others are warm in the same months. In India, some states have coldness in some months, and at the same month, in some states we have very hot climate. Okay. In the same way, some regions receive heavy rainfall, while others are dry. In some states, there is very high rainfall. In other states, there is no rainfall in the same month, same days. Okay. So the climate varies from one region to another region in the same country itself. And some parts of the country are very cold, extremely cold, while others are warm in the same months. We are facing some months cold and some months rainy season and some months summer season. And in the same way, some regions receive heavy rainfall while others are dry. Recently we got heavy rains in our Hyderabad also. Okay. Some parts of the country are flooded while others are famine for the want of rain. Floods. Floods means heavy rains. Floods means heavy rains. And famine means shortage of food. If there is no rain means shortage of food will be faced by the people. So floods and famine. Okay. So floods means heavy rain. Some areas will receive floods and some areas will face famine with the shortage of food. Some parts enjoy the same climate throughout the year. In India also some states will enjoy the same climate throughout the year. And while it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter at other places. In some states we face very hot climate in the summer season and very cold climate in the winter season. The changes. Clothing and food of a place largely depend on the climate of the place. So wearing the clothes, that is in summer season we wear cotton cloths, in winter season we wear woolen cloths, in rainy season we wear raincoats. So this clothing and food taking, so the food habits also depending on the climate of the place where we are living. The climate of our country is mainly shaped by the Himalayan ranges. The climate of our country is mainly shaped by the Himalayan ranges and monsoon winds. Monsoon winds. Our climate depends on these things. Okay, Himalayan ranges and monsoon winds. The other important factors that determine the climate are the location of India near the equator and the long sea coast. So India near the equator. That means some states will touch this equator line. India near the equator, like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, MP, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal. These states will touch the equator line in the middle of the India. Okay, these lines will touch the equator line. These states will touch the equator line. And also we have long sea coast. That is a long sea coast. In the previous coastline, long coastline. That means in South India, I said already, 3 oceans: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. So this is the long from Gujarat here. Long sea coastline. We have long coastline. So this is the long coastline. So the Indian climate can be divided into 3 main seasons. The Indian climate may be divided into 3 main seasons. Number 1, summer season. Summer season. Second one, rainy season. Rainy season. And third one is winter. Winter season. So Indian climate is divided into 3 seasons, 3 main seasons. That is summer season, rainy season and winter season. Now we are going to see about summer season. So we are going to see about summer season. The summer season in India starts from April. So where it starts from? April. April month onwards summer will start. And lasts till the end of June. Till the end of June. So summer season will start from April and lasts till end of the June month. So the sun rays fall directly overhead in the summer. We feel very hot in the summer. The sun rays also will fall directly on the overhead of yours. Okay. So it becomes so hot in the northern plains that people do not dare to come out of their homes. In northern plains it is very hot. Northern plains. So people can't dare to come out. Okay. They will scary so to come outside. We have also so much hot. We feel very hot in summer seasons. Okay. So some people will fall down by getting dehydration. Okay. Next, in the summer the days are longer than the nights. The days are longer. Days are longer. And nights are shorter. Nights shorter. Days are longer in the summer season and nights are very shorter. And next, in the North India, hot and dry wind called Lu blows across the desert region in the months of May and June. So North India, especially in the desert region, the people face Lus. Lus means very strong winds. Strong winds. So these winds are called Lus. So these blow across the desert region in the months of May and June. They face very severe hot in the months of May and June. These strong winds are called, hot winds are called Lus. L-O-O-S, Lus. Next one. Dust storms are common in summer. Dust storms. Dust storms are common in summer. These are the main important things in the summer season. So there is an acute shortage of water. So we have shortage of water in summer season. In summer, many people move to the lower Himalayan ranges where the weather is cool. Some people will move to the Himalayan ranges. They go like vacation, summer vacation, we call it summer vacation. And the people go along with their family to the cool places. So in our India, we have many cool climate places like hill stations. So Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling and Shimla are the famous hill stations in our country. So Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling and Shimla are the famous hill stations in our country. Famous hill stations. So these are in the North India. These areas are in the north of our India. In the South India, we have Ooty and Kodaikanal. In our Andhra and Telangana, we have Araku Valley. So these are the cool climate hill station places. Okay. Next. The southern part of India is less hot than the northern plains. So southern part of India is less hot. Comparing to northern plains, we have less hot. But we are facing severe hot in the summer season. And it is because the cool of sea breeze. We have three sides of our South India. We have three oceans, that is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. Through this seas, so we are getting cool breeze which blows from the sea. Lower the temperature, we enjoy mangoes, the kings of fruits in summer. Which fruit will eat more? Our favorite, maximum our favorite fruit is mango. So mango will available in only summer season. So summer season we will get mango. Mango is the king of all fruits. King of all fruits. So this is our summer season. So this season starts from April to the till last end of the June, and very high hot places in the northern plains, and the days are very longer and nights are shorter in this season. And in Rajasthan, especially the desert region, they face a strong winds, blowing winds like loose. It starts from May and June. And they have dust storms also in this season, and we enjoy by going to these hill stations like Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Shimla. Those are very famous hill stations. The people will go to their vacation with their family, and they will enjoy in the cool climate where in the hill station. And also we eat mangoes. So those mangoes are the king of fruits, all fruits. Okay, so these mangoes will available only in the summer season. In the next class we can see rainy season and winter season. So today I am going to stop this lesson here. Once again we will revise this lesson. So we saw about the weather of the climate, and the main factors we have the uniform land. The land is not uniform in our country. We have plains, plateaus, deserts, forests, etc. So the climate varies from one region to another region, and in some places it is cold and some places it is very hot. In some places it receives very high rainfall, in some places it receives very less rainfall. And also we saw about the floods. Floods means more rains, and famine means shortage of food. Without rains we will get shortage of food, and so this is called famine. And we saw about the seasons. There is three seasons: rainy season, summer season and winter season. First season is summer season. We saw about the summer season. So this starts from April and ends in the June month. So we have summer vacation, summer holidays in that time. And also it is very high in northern plains. The days are very longer and the nights are very shorter in this. So Rajasthan people, like desert area people, will face loose strong winds and dust storms also. We get mangoes in the summer season. Those are the king of fruits. We'll continue rainy season and winter season in the next class.